Hi, David from Valley WorkSafe. We do health and safety training. So today's video, we're going to look at talking about steps to implementing a successful incident response plan. Wow, what is this? So incident response plans, typically people think about emergency services, fire department, paramedics, police. How do they deal with emergencies? What's their plan of attack? Well, in essence, every time there's an incident in a workplace, we are actually the first responders. Who gets there first? People on the job site, people in the business. So how do we plan for this? What can we do to organize ourselves to respond to these hopefully very infrequent things that we've never experienced? Well, you need a bit of a structure. So here's a bit of a structure you can use. Very common steps. So step one, develop a plan. You might have to do some dig into what resources available. There's lots of templates, training you can get to give you an idea of what are some options. Right? Then you have to put together a team. Next step, who is going to be involved? Do you have a big staff where certain people can be involved? Do you have a small staff where everybody's going to have to do something? All right. And see what skill sets people have. You'd be surprised how many people have first aid training, have volunteer experience with the fire department, or maybe even in the military. There's quite a lot of experience on our jobs, our crews. Next, once the plan is implemented, you need to make sure you're ready to detect these things. So for fires, electrical incidents, flooding at this time of the year too, is it causing you problems? Now, also, then you might have to tailor these plans to the specific incidents. So, like I said, flooding. It's not happening all the time in our area, but it does happen in a frequently every couple of years. It may impact your job site. It may impact your business. Electrical outages, fire, or even just staff's illness. So, how else do you need to? What incidents do you need to look after? Review your plan. Should be annually is a good rule of thumb. Update it with any changes, maybe change the personnel. Training. You don't know how the plan's going to work until you train it. Lots of options. You do not have to go to a full-scale exercise and blow up things and then see what happens. That's fun, but not always possible. And then continually improve and revise and revisit, because it could be changes in the best practices or even just changes in your environment in the workplace. So lots of stuff you can do. It's easy once you get going at it. So if you're looking for ideas, suggestions, resources, send me an email, david@valley.worksafe. Check out my website, valleyworksafe.ca, and let me know how I can help you.